Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop HDR toning for fashion photography. Open your fashion image to so HDR can enhance textures in clothing. Convert it to a smart object to keep re-editing possible. Go into HDR toning to start enhancing details and also increase strength for sharper fabric textures, reduce highlights for controlled lighting, lift shadows to keep model features visible, adjust details to match the fabric pattern, and modify gamma for balanced tones. Add vibrance to enrich color for outfits, reduce saturation for a soft editorial feel, adjust exposure depending on the theme, mask HDR from skin to keep it smooth.